Let's face it, money can feel like one big, confusing mess. But what if you had a clear, age-based roadmap to follow? No fancy terms, no overwhelming spreadsheets, just real-life money goals tailored for your 20s, 30s, and beyond. Think of it like building a house. Start with a solid foundation, add walls, then a roof. Whether you're just starting out or you're catching up, this video's for you. Hey, welcome! If you've ever asked yourself, what should I be doing with my money right now? You're not alone. Most people have no idea what financial goals to focus on at different stages of life. It's like we're all trying to build a plane while flying it. But here's the truth. Good financial planning isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. And the earlier you start, the more freedom and peace you'll give your future self. Today, we're breaking down financial goals by age group, your 20s, your 30s, and what comes after. We'll talk about simple, practical steps you can actually follow. No fluff, just real talk. Let's dive in. Your 20s, lay the foundation. Your 20s, a decade full of transitions. College, first job, maybe moving out, figuring out who you are. It's also the decade where your financial habits start to take shape. So here's what to focus on. 1. Build an emergency fund. This is priority number 1. Life throws curveballs, flat tires, medical bills, job loss. Having $500 to $1,000 set aside in a basic savings account is a game changer. Then work toward 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. 2. Start budgeting, even if you hate it. Budgeting doesn't mean restriction, it means direction. Use a simple app or spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. Know where your money's going. That awareness alone can help you make better choices. 3. Pay off. High-interest debt credit cards can feel like quick solutions, but they're silent thieves. If you're carrying balances, start by paying off the smallest debt first. Snowball method or the highest interest one, avalanche method. Either way, get aggressive about it. 4. Start investing. Early. This one's huge. Even if it's just $25 a month into a retirement account, like a Roth IRA or a 401k, time is your best friend here. Compound interest is the most powerful force in finance. Start now, and your future self will be clapping for you. 5. Learn, learn, learn. Read a finance book, follow a money podcast, or subscribe to a channel like this one. The more you understand money, the more confident you'll feel about managing it. Your 30s. Build the structure. Your 30s are often when life gets more complex. Maybe marriage, kids, a mortgage, or career shifts. Now's the time to build on that foundation and create structure. 1. Revisit your budget. Often your income probably looks different than it did in your 20s, but so do your expenses. Now you're not just budgeting for yourself, you might be budgeting for a whole household. Stay flexible, but intentional. 2. Increase emergency savings. If you built a starter emergency fund in your 20s, now aim for that 3 to 6 months cushion. Especially with kids or a mortgage, this can help you sleep at night. 3. Maximize retirement contributions. In your 30s, your earning potential typically rises. If you're not already, try to contribute at least 15% of your income to retirement accounts. If your employer matches your 401k, don't leave free money on the table. 4. Set midterm goals. Think beyond just retirement. Want to buy a home, travel, start a business, fund your kids' education? Midterm savings accounts, like a high-yield savings account or short-term investments, can help. 5. Protect what you've built. Insurance isn't exciting, but it's necessary. Life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance. These are the safety nets that protect everything you're working for. Also, consider creating a will, even if it feels early. 6. Crush remaining debt, student loans, car loans, and lingering credit cards. Make a plan to wipe them out. The fewer obligations you have, the more freedom you gain. 7. Invest in your career. Whether it's getting a new certification, changing industries, or negotiating a raise, your income is your biggest wealth-building tool. Don't neglect your earning potential. No matter what age you're in, remember this. It's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Maybe you're in your 20s and you feel broke, uncertain, or like you're already behind everyone else. That's okay. Start with one small goal today. Build your emergency fund. Learn to track your spending. Celebrate every step forward, because each step counts. Maybe you're in your 30s and life feels like it's moving too fast. Bills, kids, career changes. It can get overwhelming. Remember, you don't have to get it all right immediately. Adjust your plan as life changes. And don't let mistakes keep you stuck. Keep showing up for your goals, one decision at a time. And if you're in your 40s or beyond, and you're worried you're too late, it's not too late. You can still make wise choices that transform your future. The important thing is to start now, even if it's imperfect. Every step you take today is one your future self will thank you for. The truth is, financial freedom isn't about a perfect timeline. It's about consistent, purposeful action. It's about progress over perfection and choosing to believe that your financial life can get better no matter where you're starting from. So I want to challenge you today. Take a moment after this video to write down one financial goal for your current season of life. Just one. Keep it realistic. Maybe it's to open a retirement account, or to pay an extra $50 on your debt, or to track your expenses for a month. Small, simple steps lead to big results over time. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's an entire community of people who've started where you are, who've faced the same worries, and who've built lives of financial peace and purpose. Don't be afraid to share your journey with a friend or family member, or even right here in the comments, because talking about money helps break the cycle of fear and confusion. If this video helped you get clarity on your financial goals, please hit the like button so we can reach more people who need this message. Subscribe to the channel for more simple, honest guidance on money. And share this video with someone you care about who could use a little financial encouragement today. Together, we can make financial freedom feel simple and achievable for everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep taking care of your future self. You've got this.